Hello Sonobing, let's learn with fun. Themreirin Varah Ajaway tum class 10 mathematics we come to chapter quadratic equations continue salu say. We make up the item quadratic formula we maram tamrum say. Itum the quadratic equation akhawi standard form hi ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 negajithera. Ara chanjam sada quadratic equation akhi a, b, plus c we value hi thaya ka. Awi solution papayaw nigja, kaja awi roots papayaw nigja. Kaya haring para manimla. Mahilagay na itumuiwang solution direct pasok by formula khlaye. Hine formula ji kala hili quadratic formula hoye. Ara formula hi kita da shijin rakla kaji mayang rong laka. Formula hi kita da rashokaw kala kaji yang rom say. Itumna completing the squares kaji method na kita da quadratic equation aka solve sar kala ji yang romai re. Jiwi concept ji shijin laka standard form bahili apply sayang say. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 da laida khlai x square gazang a term paje chika ax square hi perfect square na malai thugi da hi perfect square na one khawai da quadratic equation hili a na divide sao say. So we get this. Ara middle term by hi gija b by a into x by hi tangkhai nang rai ja dang yirau say. So we get half of b by a into x plus half of b by a into x. Ara half of b by a into x hi tumna b by twice a into x taga b by a. Ara b by twice a into x and b by twice a into x hi plus saka twice of b by twice a into x to reduce by a. Ara hiwi equation hili x square plus twice of b by twice a into x. He perfect square meaning ne. Jen he perfect square on gui khwai dai tumna b by twice a whole square hing room sangau say kala b by twice a whole square hi minus sashok pobam leo say. So that the equation remains the same. Okay? Thagai tadak b by era. Ara hiwi terms katum hi itumna a square plus twice ab plus b square we form ina lehera. Jena a plus b whole square taga b by ora taga x plus b by twice a whole square taga b by era khangatei ka typing ji minus b by twice a whole square plus c by a is equal to 0. Ara hi thumna transpose salaga hira taga b by era b by twice a whole square hi thumna b square by 4a square taga b by era. Now ara right hand side by hi thumna simplify salaga b square minus 4ac by 4a square daga b by era. Ara left hand side with square baji shiman kawai side khanini hili square root ko say. So we get this. Qwangina plus minus ra sangau kla jeka itumna quantity ak with square root ka khuyatam tharan quantity ba with square root chu plus la sabaye kala minus la sabaye. Qwangina plus minus jikai ne. Okay? Ara square root we lungli denominator kaja 4a square hi tumna twice a whole square taga b by kala twice a whole square hi square root we ayar likhu chok laga square root of b square minus 4ac by twice a taga b by. Now left hand side li b by twice a the later li eliminate sa by kwai both sides li minus b by twice a say. So we get x equals to minus b by twice a plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by twice a. Ara itumna x we value is sampangaira hi itumna simplify salaga hita da b by, and this is our quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole over 2a. Therefore quadratic equation akha kaja ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 da leakha awi roots ping jiwa kimmerok la jiga minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac whole over 2a aina minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a re. Ara quadratic formula hi pai made up niung by khwai wang na thumui wang catchy sala kai reba ka se medle. Here we go.
For a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, yo, value of x is negative b plus minus square root of, wait for it, b square minus 4ac yay whole over 2a.
Now quadratic formula hi shijin laga ka tha solve sa bai klag ji tum example khani tum yang room say we make up the quadratic equation a ko say hili a we value na 2 ne, b we value na -6 ne, c we value na 3 ne. Ara quadratic formula hi shijin laga roots khani ji phasho say x we expression khani hili a b kala c we values ping hi replace how say. So we get this. Ara hi tum na further simplify sa ka hida da sam bhangra and simplify sa lya ka hida da sam bhangra. Ara square root of 12 hili 12 hi tum na 2 square into 3 daga bi by prime factorization sa laga 2 square da lay da clay hi square jang how gi da 2 hi square root we yar likhu shok paira so itum na hita bi by now numerator by na denominator wili 2 hi common factor sa da lay thaka 2 na khani li divide sa ka finally we get x is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 2 and x is equal to 3 minus root 3 by 2. Our quadratic equation hiwi roots khani hi yang kha khani ni hi real numbers ne kala khani ni hi ngakhai khang hai dale mangrai jam ne yang chena quadratic equation 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0 wi wangwa itumna ngakhai khang hai real roots khani sam bhangra chibingjia 3 plus root 3 by 2 and 3 minus root 3 by 2 hi khiwangkla jika quadratic formula jili square lijang da clay quantity baji jika b square minus 4ac baji positive ka sa wi wangin ne or positive ka sa jika 0 li hakhamai wi wangin ne okay ari la khangatai quadratic equation a kha khuyang fu say let's take x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0 hili a na 1 ne b na 4 ne kala c na 4 ne ara quadratic formula hi now say hili a b kala c we value sangos. So we get this hi tumna simplify sa ka hita da sam bhangra ara squared we alongli jang da khlaiji 16 minus 16 which is 0 kala square root of 0 over 0 babamra chena x we value ji -4 by 2 samang tu ye hi simplify sa ka -2 samang ra chena roots khani hi ngarai ja thu thui de lei de -2 samang thu thui de lei yang chu wangai na itum quadratic equation x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0 wi wangwa two equal real roots or two coincident real roots samang dale -2 and a -2 hi khiwang na equal samang au khla jika quadratic formula li square root we alongli jang da khlai quantity baji b square minus 4ac baji 0 khang sa wi wangin ne okay aru leitum quadratic equation a khuli se hili a we value na 2 ne b we value na -3 ne kala c we value na 5 ne ara hi itum quadratic formula shijin laga a b kala c we values to replace how say so we get this further simplify sa ga itum hida sam bhangra ara simplify sa lya kha hida sam bhangra ara hili itum na yang kha square root of -31 da jang dale kha negative number a khawi square root wa real number ma shok pai mane chidhaw gi da hili x we value khani leida khlai hi khani ni real number ma shok pai mane gilla chena itumi equation 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0 ga ji hili wa real roots ma le lakna hi khuwain ra shok khla jiga quadratic formula jili square root we alungli jang da khlai quantity ba ji b square minus 4ac ji negative ka sa wi wang negative ka sa wang jika 0 li teu khmai wi wangin ne so this brings us to the concept of nature of roots of a quadratic equation jika equation jiwi roots pingji kachi ka roots rak lag jine itumna quadratic formula thera quadratic formula hi jin laga x we value phak shoka tam tharan x we value ji kachi ka value shok rak lag jine yang chena formula hili square root we alongli jang da khlai quantity ba je b square minus 4ac hili discriminant of the quadratic equation hoye hi value hi yang laga itumna nature of roots of the quadratic equation ji hangbai let's see discriminant b square minus 4ac hi 0 li hakmai sa kha quadratic equation ji real roots ngakai ka ngai khni samangra discriminant p square minus 4ac ji 0 ling rai cha sa kha quadratic equation ji 2 equal real roots samangra kala discriminant p square minus 4ac ji 0 li tiomai sa kha quadratic equation ji wang real roots malai lak marang ji ne alright ara quadratic equation akhi ithumna ka da solve sarak lag ji steps ji repeat sa da yang mo se ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 da le sa ka remake up da ithumna nature of roots check sara ka check sara arujam ithumna yang room kai tha da discriminant ba we value ji pha chokra 0 li hak mai ka 0 li tiau mai ka 0 ling rai chakla gji wa thi shu da quadratic equation ji real roots later ka real roots malai makla gji thaira jiwithili real roots le sa kha quadratic equation ji ithumna method kuthumai solve sa bai chibing ji a factorization method of completing the squares kala directly quadratic formula shishin daga solve sa bai okay guys quadratic equation chapter ji hina khangjang asai re I hope you like this video I leave you now with the quadratic formula rep next video bali samang now say until then keep learning with fun.
For a quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Yo, value of x is negative b plus minus square root of, wait for it, b squared minus 4ac, whole over 2a.